Hello, my name's Ian Beryl. I'm the Senior Tech Dem at the 3D workshop here at Hereford College of Arts. So here in the 3D workshops, you can basically do everything. We've got wood, we've got metals, we've got plastics, everything in between. We've got high tech, we've got low tech processes. And unlike school, where there were 30 of you in a class, there'll be a much smaller amount of you, maybe 12 maximum. That gives you a lot more opportunity to get down and play with some of our awesome kit. So this is 2019 now. Most of you have got access to laser cutters and such like in the high-tech world. So what else have we got? Do you get to play with plasma cutters? Do you get to use fire? Do you get to sandblast things at school? Probably not. We've got vacuum formers. We've got all kinds of stuff ready for you to play with. So who can access the workshops? Level 2 all the way up to Masters Level 7. The aim of the game here is to play. I will push that all the time. I'd rather you be playing because you learn more through play than me telling you, oh, you're going to be making this and this is how you're going to do it. There's about 15 tech dems at Hereford College of Arts across both campuses, and we all complement each other beautifully. The other tech dems here, we've got small metals and ceramics, we've got print, textiles, but we come at different projects from lots of different angles, if that makes any sense. So I'm a part-time photographer, I like to play with digital, I like to hit hot things, but my dad was a carpenter, so I'm a jack of all trades, master of some, and unlike a lot of establishments, we've got a very rounded knowledge of many processes, and we also know what's going on in other people's workshops. So a process in this workshop might complement something in ceramics or small metals or even print and textiles. You can bounce around within the workshops, which is quite unusual for a lot of these institutions. Okay, so this is one of our pieces of the kit that I'm pretty sure you won't have at school. This is a plasma cutter, and it helps you cut into steel. I've got a little gun with a trigger. It's attached to this little box of tricks down here. It's about the size of a suitcase. And she's plugged in, she's earthed, completes the circuit when I make contact, and I can cut straight through this 0.7 mile steel.